Hi everyone, welcome back to the Good to Know channel. I'm glad you're here today. Grab your coffee or tea, get comfy, and let's chat about something that's probably sneaking up on you right now. You know that feeling when you're dragging throughout the day, your legs cramp out of nowhere, or sleep just won't come no matter how tired you are? Yes, me too, and get this, it might all boil down to one tiny oversight with a mineral we all think we're handling just fine. Today, we're uncovering the big magnesium mistake that over 50% of people are making, and the Glycinate plus D3 K2 upgrade that finally delivers. Once you hear this, you'll want to check your supplement drawer immediately. Okay, let's dive right in. Picture this. You're stressed from work, scrolling late at night, and you think, hey, I read magnesium helps with relaxation. So you grab the cheapest bottle at the store, magnesium oxide, right? It's everywhere, it's affordable, and hey, the label says it has magnesium. But here's the kicker, friends. Over 50% of us are falling for this trap because magnesium oxide, it only gets absorbed at about 4%. That's right, 96% of it just sails through your body, ending up in the toilet instead of in your cells where it's needed. You're basically flushing your money and your health down the drain. I did this for months, popping pills like candy and wondering why I still felt wired and wiped out. Sound familiar? But wait, it gets worse. Why does this even happen? Well, our bodies hold on to magnesium like a secret stash. 99% of it is tucked into our cells, powering over 300 reactions for energy, muscles, nerves, and even keeping your heart steady. Only 1% floats in your blood. So when you go for that routine blood test, it looks normal, even if you're screaming deficient on the inside. Your body plays a sneaky game. It robs magnesium from your bones and muscles to keep blood levels steady, giving you that false all good reading. A 2021 meta-analysis of 180,000 people found that 48% are subclinically deficient despite normal serum levels. No wonder symptoms like twitches, anxiety, sugar cravings, or those brutal Charlie horses hit without warning. And stats show that half of us are low without even knowing it, depleted by stress, junk food, or even that daily soda stealing it away. Now, let's talk real talk about why you're deficient in the first place. It's not just bad luck. High carb diets and constant snacking spike insulin, blocking vitamin D, which magnesium needs to even work right. Low stomach acid, that's another thief. Think bloating after meals or that heartburn? It means poor breakdown of minerals slashing uptake by 60 to 70%. Then there's diabetes or pre-diabetes messing with absorption, chronic stress burning through 50 to 100 milligrams daily like wildfire, or gut issues from inflammation. Even meds, PPIs like proton pump inhibitors, diuretics, alcohol, caffeine, or intense workouts pile on. I personally remember training for a 5K run and cramping every evening, and I didn't understand why. Turns out you can also lose 20 milligrams per liter of sweat. Relatable? Totally. The good news, we can fix this without overhauling your life. So what's the smart swap? Ditch the oxide and go for other forms that actually deliver. My top pick and the all-around MVP, magnesium glycinate. 80% absorbed, super gentle, and it doubles as a sleep wizard thanks to the glycine calming your brain via GABA receptors. A head-to-head RCT showed glycinate beats oxide and citrate hands down for bioavailability. If constipation is your nemesis, try citrate. It keeps things moving without the drama. For an energy kick, malate pairs great with workouts, helping muscle recovery. And if brain fog's bugging you, threonate crosses your blood-brain barrier for sharper focus. But circle back. Glycinate wins for cost, effectiveness, absorption, and fixing every symptom. Sleep, mood, cramps, heart rhythm. And if you level it up with D3 and K2, they're non-negotiable besties. So I'd recommend starting out with 5,000 to 10,000 international units of D3 daily with fat. Without it, magnesium stays inactive. Add 1 to 200 micrograms of K2, which is the MK7 version, to shuttle calcium out of your arteries into your bones, preventing the number one side effect risk. The Rotterdam trial showed 180 micrograms of K2 reversed arterial stiffness by 14% in 3 years. That's amazing. Start glycinate at 2 to 400 milligrams elemental, bump it up to 800 to 1500 milligrams spread out for therapeutic vibes, particularly for migraines and mood changes. I'd recommend taking glycinate 30 to 60 minutes before bed to chill out, D3 K2 with dinner. Pro tip, I would encourage you to take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and water 10 minutes before meals just to amp up your stomach acid. Cycle 5 days on, 2 days off if you're not super low in your magnesium levels. Don't sleep on food, it's the foundation. You'd need 5 handfuls of spinach to hit 400 milligrams, but weave in pumpkin seeds, a half an avocado, or a square of 85% dark chocolate. Mackerel or bananas sneak it in too. During stress or illness, double down. Cortisol's a magnesium vampire. Spicy 30-second hack, try magnesium moon milk. Just warm 1 cup of almond milk, stir in a half a teaspoon of raw cacao, and 200 milligrams of glycinate. It tastes like a cozy dessert and helps knock you out for a deep, restful sleep. Timeline to feel the difference? Cramps often ease in 1 to 3 days, better sleep kicks in within 3 to 7 days, and energy plus mood improvements peak around month 2. Heads up, too much magnesium can cause loose stools or low blood pressure. Start low, ease in, and always check with your doctor or healthcare practitioner if you're pregnant or are on medications. All right, wrapping this up, you've got the tools now to sidestep that 50% mistake and reclaim your energy, sleep, and sanity. Want more? Check out my full breakdown on different forms of magnesium in my other videos where I talk about who needs glycinate, citrate, malate, or threonate, linked here above and in the description. I also mention it there as well. And if you're still wondering, is this me? Watch my video on 7 hidden signs of magnesium deficiency. You'll be shocked. Who's ready to upgrade to glycinate plus D3 and K2? Drop your biggest symptom, cramp, insomnia, anxiety in the comments below. I read every one of them. Smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS health chats, and share with a friend who's always tired. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time on the Good to Know channel. Take care.